Hey guys, welcome to another video about RoboPost. In this video, we will learn how to bulk upload contents and schedule them. Bulk import feature allows you to create and schedule multiple posts at once. This will help you saving time, especially when you have tons of contents to schedule. Let's explore how to use it. To start with bulk import, open the New Post page and click Import from CSV. You'll find a sample on the page. You can download and edit this sample file for your contents. In the first column, enter the text content. Please note that you won't be able to edit it after the bulk upload. If you want to upload content with images or videos, enter the URL in the second column. If you wish to use your own images or videos, upload the content in the Medias tab and copy-paste the URL. The third column is for the posting date and time. Make sure to use UTC format. The fourth column is where you embed URLs for websites or blog articles. This can be set for content on platforms like Pinterest or Google Business Profile. If you're uploading video content for Instagram or YouTube, specify the type in the fifth column as either video, short, or story. Now, let's upload the CSV file you created. Once the content is loaded, the next step is to configure the channel settings. If you want to apply the same channel to all content, select it from the Select Channels option displayed on the left. If you prefer to set channels individually, you can do so on each content block. You can also configure tags and the recurring option in the same way. Finally, let's set the import destination. At the top left of the screen, you can use the Select Import Destination option to choose whether to schedule the content for posting or save it as a draft. Once you've selected the destination, click Start Importing Posts to complete the process. That's it. The bulk upload is now complete. If you'd like to review the details further, check out the documentation linked in the description or feel free to contact support. Happy marketing!